Hi everyone, welcome to Ganan. If you send money abroad, whether to support your family or to pay someone or to invest, this video is for you. By watching this video, you could save money in three different ways. First one, you will get better rates than any other popular app. And the second one, you will get a £10 bonus for your first transfer. And the third one, you don't have to pay any transfer fee. Yeah, you heard it right. You don't have to pay any transfer fee. This app is not limited to the UK. You can use it from US, Canada, Europe, and so many other major countries. Most people in the UK use Wise, TapTap, or Western Union money transfer. They are great, but not always the cheapest. The app is called LemFi. I have used it a couple of times last week and it's great. Stick with me, I'll show you a real-time comparison and I'll show you how to get your £10 bonus for free. LemFi is a fee-free money transfer app. You can send money to Sri Lanka, India, Ghana, Nigeria, and so many other countries straight from your phone. But what makes it different? First one and the major one, no transfer fee. Second one, better rates than Google, Wise, and many other popular apps. And third one, it's instant. You can send money within minutes and sometimes even few seconds. And fourth one, a clean, easy to use interface. And yes, it's fully FCA regulated in the UK, so it's safe and trustworthy. Okay, let's compare the rates as of today. Okay, first check on Google. Google's giving me a rate of 405 rupees and 60 cents for £1. Let's give it a refresh and it's the same. And let's go to Wise. And here Wise is giving me a rate of 404 Sri Lankan rupees and 17 cents for £1. Let's say we are sending £100 and we will get around 39,500 rupees with a transfer fee of 2.43 British pounds, which is again around 1000 Sri Lankan rupees. So let's say LemFi and I'm going to refresh it so you know this is real time. And LemFi is giving me a rate of 405 Sri Lankan rupees 80 cents for £1. So if we are sending £100, we are gonna get around 40,600 rupees. So the LemFi rate is clearly more than Wise rate. We are gonna get 1100 rupees more than Wise transfer. So now, how to get the bonus £10 for free? Just download the LemFi app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. And when signing up, use my referral code, I'll leave it in the description, and verify your identity and send just over £51 to any countries other than your resident country. And yeah, that's it. You will get your £10 bonus within minutes. Hit the like button if you find it useful. And if you know any other app that's better than LemFi, leave it in the comment section so I have a look. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart money tips.